Today, I'm going to cook non-grilled chicken shawarma. In here, I used 1 kilo of chicken breast. Sliced it into small pieces. Best if you slice it with half frozen, as it is very easy to cut. In a bowl, mix the chicken with salt, pepper, turmeric powder, bit of soy sauce, chili powder, then mix all together. Then squeeze with lemon. Add oregano. Then set aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Over high heat, heat 4 tablespoons of olive oil or any cooking oil. Once the oil is hot enough, fry the chicken until it tender and the color will turn to brown. Stir the chicken for every 2 to 3 minutes. While waiting our chicken to cook, prepare 3 pieces of big onions and slice it in regular size. Continue to stir our chicken every 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will prepare our bell pepper. Slice it to a square shape. Now we will slice 1 big tomato and slice it in a square shape. Now our chicken is almost dry. We'll keep it until it will turn to color brown. Now it's almost color brown and it's also tender. We will set aside this while preparing for our other ingredients. Heat the cooking oil in a pan. When the oil becomes hot, saute the onion until it becomes soft. Then add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, mix well, add salt, pepper, soy sauce, and turmeric powder. Now it's almost done. We'll add our green bell pepper, tomato, we will not overcook these ingredients. Add our chicken, mix well, and it's done. Presenting my non-grilled chicken shawarma. Now we will assemble our shawarma. I prefer tortilla and kubus. Kubus is an Arabic bread. Just spread the mayonnaise to your tortilla. Add our homemade chicken shawarma. For the other filling, you can choose your preference, like for the vegetable or for the cream you're using. For me, I just use carrots, mint leaves, and parsley, yellow mustard, cheese. As I said, choose your preference. cream cheese. You can also add cucumber or you add pickles. It's up to you guys. But this combination for me is very tasty. Now we will toast our tortilla. I put a foil so that it will not burn our bread. Look at that. It's done. We have homemade shawarma. Given these very simple ingredients, you can easily make one at home whenever you crave for shawarma. No need for electric shawarma maker. Look at that. So creamy. And this one, I use the kubus bread. Just warm the kubus before you assemble and it's ready to eat. This is best for breakfast or snack time. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you for watching at Wilma's Kitchen. God bless.